Hey, is this Farrell?
Yes, sir.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Angelo Christian. How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing awesome, man. I just wanted to reach out to you. I want to let you know that for October, you're actually our lucky winner for our free subscription for the year for Real Estate University.
Really?
Yeah. It's our top producer. It's our online platform. So it teaches you if you know how to become a top producer. I've taught like over 200 of my students and my employees on this platform, and people are making 6 and 7 figures with this platform. I normally charge like $10,000 a year for it. You actually get a free 1-year subscription, and so every single month, what we do, we run you through a raffle with everyone else that inquires about it. And I guess your name came up, and so I just wanted to personally call you and let you know, man.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Are you looking to get into real estate, or how did you hear about us? I mean,
Well, I actually found you on YouTube.
okay.
I never searched anything on my phone for like houses or credit or anything like that. Well, one of your videos popped up on my phone, so I watched it, and
Awesome.
I'm amazed by your drive and your willingness to help people.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Like, that's what I want to do. I want to change people's lives.
Right. Absolutely.
That's what you're doing.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
You're doing it through real estate, and it's
Right.
amazing.
Right. Yeah, I mean, no, thank you, man. That means a lot to me. What market are you in? What area?
I'm in Decatur, Texas.
Okay.
About 30 minutes outside Fort Worth.
Yeah, I mean, see, in your area right there, Decatur's a USDA approved area, so you can offer, first-time buyer, no money down financing. So how you could help people, like let's say you became a realtor or a lender, you could give people 100% financing home loans so people could buy a house in Decatur or in that whole DFW. DFW is such a hot market for real estate. And the whole thing behind it is with real estate, the reason why I really like it is because not only are you helping people, but you also have the opportunity to make a good living too. So I always look at it as that it's doubly beneficial. So if you help people to get into a home and get the financing, or you sell them a house, you're also, you can make really good money too. So that's one of the benefits about real estate.
Yes, sir.
What do you do right now?
Right now, I work for Peterbilt. I build eddievflores.
Yeah, Peterbilt's a huge company. Yeah, so I mean, the thing that most people, what they do, Farrell, when they want to get into real estate, they kind of put their toe in the water to get to learn it. And so Real Estate University is an online platform. You can learn it from your phone, you can do it from your computer, you can do it nights or weekends. And the whole idea behind our platform is it teaches you how to become a top producer and how to sell and monetize and actually get the leads, get the customers. So not only would you get your license and be able to to lend or do real estate, but actually teaches you the business and how to be successful. So as soon as you go through the course and it's at your pace, then you can start getting customers in your area. We'll start sending you the customers to your phone, and then you can start working with those clients. And the average customer, you're going to be making, probably anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 per customer. So once you start closing those clients, and so it's a really great thing. And then as it takes off for you, you'll probably, what a lot of people do that sign up and they get involved with real estate, once they get the hang of it, then they end up seeing that they're making more money doing this versus their regular their day-to-day job. And so, so that's the idea. Or you could just keep it as a secondary income. I mean, I have a lot of students that work with us that they have their regular job, and then they do real estate on the weekend, and they're able to, make extra money for their retirement, or go on vacation, or build savings by selling, 1 or 2 homes a month. So.
Yes, sir.
It just depends on what are your goals?
Well, my ultimate goal would be to work for you.
Oh wow! Okay, awesome.
Full time.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that'd be great, man. I mean, we actually have an office. Just to let you know, we have an office in Frisco and in Plano. And so we're always looking to add managers and you know, grow and expand our team. So I'm really glad that you reached out, man. I mean, and you reached out to us. So we'd love to help you to build up your career and, you know, get the ball going. So what we'll do is I'll have my team reach out to you, get you signed up, get you going. And yeah, like I said, it's you don't pay anything. There's no contracts or anything like that. We'll give you free access to the platform. You get to use it as much as you want, and we'd love to, you know, get you going, man.
Awesome, man. That's amazing.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, Farrell, for reaching out. Congratulations on being the lucky winner for October, and I'll have my team reach out to you this week. Okay, my man.
All right, thank you very
All right,
much.
take care, buddy.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right, guys, that was one of our lucky winners. That was Farrell out in Decatur, Texas. Guys, if you're out there and you want to change your career, if you're not happy with where you're at and you're at a dead-end job, or you want to make extra income, real estate is where all the most millionaires are at. If you look on, check out Forbes list, the top people in the world, real estate and wealth is in their portfolio. So if you're out there, doesn't matter where you're at in the country, Real Estate University is the top producer platform, the premier platform used by the top agents and lenders in the country. So I've taught people to make 6 and 7 figures with Real Estate University. I want you to be the next person to sign up and be our lucky winner to win 1 year free platform to Real Estate University. It's over a $10,000 value. Guys, check out Real Estate University, test drive it. It's endorsed by some of the top real estate entrepreneurs in the country. If you're looking to make a change with your life, you want to grow and expand your wealth, your income, it's going to be NMLS accredited very soon. And we want to help you to grow and expand your portfolio. Not only do we teach you how to become a top producer, you can also get your license, and we deliver the clients directly straight to your phone. So it doesn't matter whether you're in Orlando, New York City, New Jersey, California, you can get leads delivered right to your phone with our platform and close those clients. So guys, we want to help you to become a top producer and make a change for your life. Check out Real Estate University today. Take care.